into the Wild Part 2nd. Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole. Shahaz Jung is a wildlife photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, man, animal conflict resolution seeker, and a large owner, all rolled in one. When he is away from the jungle of Nagarhole, officially called Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he is a leading photography, safaris in Africa, or showcasing his work of art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in the conserving the planet riches. Shah Jung, the wild photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, all those important roles were played by the only one person, that is Shah Jung. Whenever he is available in the jungle of Nagarhole, we can officially call that place Rajiv Gandhi National Park. If he is not available there, definitely he is in a safari of Africa, showing the work of art galleries, the capital cities of speaking, interest in conserving the planets of riches. Shah Jung हे वाईल्ड फोटोग्राफर, तसंच बिग कॅट ट्रॅकर अशा अनेक फोटोग्राफरसारख्या अनेक महत्त्वाच्या भूमिका शाहजंग यांनी पार पाडलेल्या आहेत. एकाच व्यक्तीकडे ह्या सर्व भूमिका करण्याची सवय आपल्याला उतार्यामध्ये दिसून येते. आणि विशेषतः ते प्राथमिक अवस्थेमध्ये जर पहिल्यांदा कोठे उपलब्ध असतील तर नागरहोल या ठिकाणच्या फॉरेस्टमध्ये, की ज्याला राजीव गांधी नॅशनल पार्क या नावानं ओळखलं जातं. फोटोग्राफीसाठी ते जात असतात. समजा त्या ठिकाणी ते नसतील तर आपण निश्चितपणे सांगू शकतो की ते आफ्रिकेमध्ये असं सफारी या शहरामध्ये उपलब्ध असतील असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे. आणि अशा प्रकारच्या सर्व महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिका बजावणारी व्यक्ती म्हणजे शाह जंग आहेत. सेकंड पॅरेग्राफ. Shah Jung recalls the great clarity the incident that ultimately leads to answering the call of feline over the career dedicated to finance. It was somewhere around the sunset. We were at a junction. The deer were calling. He says, we went around the blind turn. He continues, and up ahead path was his older leopard. You could tell the past is prime. The jungle had taken a toll on him. This leopard was another very young, good-looking male who was soon came into this time. It was like looking at the past and present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Unfortunately, the sun was setting and we had to leave. But the next morning, we went back to spot. Sitting on a high rock was that a young leopard. Blood was dropping from a gash across his face. He sat there like he was the king of the jungle, and he would write then that he had taken over, that it was the beginning of the new journey for him and for me. The photographer of that leopard, the Victor Scarface, Shah's named him, not only made Shah's famous among the Indian wildlife community, but also led to the Shah's enviable reputations as a chronicle of the wild. Through my journey, the photographing Scarface, I had discovered other leopard, his mates, and discovered his nemesis, tiger. I also discovered the current photographiness of my work, Saya, while tracking the Scarface. This is the world's first black panther, and the behavior of which is being documented so intimately on camera. By tracking his movement, so far all the research on the animal being done through the camera traps. Through many months to toil, Shah has managed to collect the precious footage, including that the animal mating, the piece together, the incredible landscape of Black Panther's life. Two paragraphs together. Shah recalls the great clarity of incident ultimately. He had decided to make a prowling of the same jungle area where the felines were available. One of the cat is available in the same area. That is his career was dedicated to the finance. But in the same area there was the majestical tiger was there, or leopard was there. He was standing majestically, and the writer was watching towards that tiger, but suddenly there was a time of sunset. So the writer decided to stop his journey. But meanwhile, he had observed the face of that tiger. The face of that tiger was bleeded because he had killed old tiger. Means there was the regime of old tiger had finished and the new regime of the new leopard had started in the same area, and he was become king of the same area. So he had taken the photograph of the same leopard and he had given name to Shaz to that tiger. But tiger's reputation was a majestic reputation, as a chronicle part of the history is given in this paragraph, and he had taken the photograph, and he was the sire. He was the sire of the particular area of the given jungle. So his research of the animal had been through the camera traps. That shows that the precious footage, including the animal mating and pieced together, that is incredible landscape, had given the best chances to that tiger or the king of the jungle. शहास याला आठवतं की जंगलामध्ये ज्या वेळेला तो एक फेरफटाका मारतोय, फेरफटाका मारत असताना त्याच ठिकाणी थोडीशी मांजरीची पिल्ली त्याला जाणवतात, की ज्या मांजरीच्या पिल्लांचं वर्णन त्यानं करिअर डेडिकेटेड टू फायनान्स याच्याशी केलेलं आहे. आणि हा फेरफटाका मारत असताना लेखक म्हणतोय की मला याच ठिकाणी मोठा पॅन्थर दिसतो, लेपर्ड दिसतो, की ज्याचं तोंड रक्तानं लाल झालेलं आहे. मग हे पाहिल्यानंतर त्याला वाटतं, लेखकाला आठवतं की यापूर्वी या जंगलामध्ये 2 टायगर होते. याच्यामध्ये एक ओल्ड होता, दुसरा यंग होता. कदाचित हा जो यंग टायगर आहे, यंग टायगरनं ओल्ड टायगरची शिकार केलेली आहे आणि त्या शिकारीमुळे त्याचं रक्ताने तोंड लाल झालेलं आहे. कदाचित त्यानं आपलं पूर्व जे पास्ट एज आहे, जो पास्ट किंग आहे, त्याला संपलंय आणि प्रेझेंट किंग म्हणून महत्वाची भूमिका हा प्रेझेंट टायगर करतोय आणि तो जंगलचा राजा म्हणून स्वतःला घोषित करण्यासाठी रुबाबदारपणे उभा आहे आणि त्या असणाऱ्या खडकावरती तो बसलेला आहे. परंतु ही संधी आम्हाला दीर्घकाळ पाहता आली नाही, कारण रात्रीची वेळ आहे. हळूहळू सूर्य अस्ताला चाललेला होता. आम्ही त्या ठिकाणी परतलो. परत एकदा मी त्या ठिकाणी आलो, त्यावेळेला त्या ठिकाण जो शाज आहे, जो टायगर आहे, तो वाईल्ड लाईफचा एकमेव किंग आहे असं म्हटलं गेलंय आणि जगामधला सर्व ब्लॅक टायगर म्हणून याची घोषणा या ठिकाणी केलेली आहे. अशा प्रकारे हे सर्व चित्रण मी माझ्या कॅमेऱ्यामध्ये टिपलं, की ज्याला प्रेशियस फुटेज या नावाने मी घोषित करतो. आणि या असणाऱ्या राजासाठी सुंदर भूप्रदेश, जंगलानं हिरवळीचा भूप्रदेश तयार केलेला आहे, की जो ब्लॅक पॅन्थर आपल्या लाईफ आनंदाने जगू शकतो. Next paragraph, Saya Scarface of Pardos, the leopard that lost the Scarface, also lead Shahs down to different paths, discover learning about them. The loss of their habitat had led Shah's credit to buffer conflict, resolution trust in India, BCRTI. The urgency that educates the village who live on the fringe of the forest, importance of conservation. We are all in the heart of the man-animal conflict zone, explains Shahs. There is no specific buffer zone around the Nagarhole. The core area of the forest ends where the field begins. The dry season elephant, wild boar, incursion field are very common. Older leopard like a pardus who have lost the territory in the forest often carry away livestock from village. This creates a resentment among the local towards animal, on occasions leading to unpleasant situation. In the second part, the writer has explained the conflict between animal and man for the habitat. Animals are living in the forest and man is living in his cottage or in his locality. Means the locality of man is different from the habitat of tigers in jungle, because man is not ready to mix in the people and people are not ready to mix in the tigers or in jungle. In that area, the tiger had made his specific locality and he was living, Shahs was living in a specific locality, and out of that, beyond that area or out of that area, the people had started their locality. where the people were living happily. They had started to doing their farming, and that specific zone is called buffer zone. The zone between two areas where no one has given chance to enter, no one has given to do any type of the violence. That zone is called the buffer zone. It means there was a buffer zone between the tiger or the leopard and the locality people. That was totally forest area. In the total area, the older leopard like a pandarus who have lost the territory. But in the locality of the man, the panthers had lost their habitat. Means the panthers are not given chance to enter in the locality of man. And the man is not given chance to enter in the locality of tigers and the locality of the animals. So there was the zone, and that zone is called the buffer zone. Buffer zone means restricted zone where no one had given chance to enter here and there. If you enter here and there, do not make any type of the violence between you and he. That is the buffer zone. That buffer zone was created in the jungle area. Means each and every man was living very protectably in his particular area. And that was the unpleasant situation. That was the unpleasant situations to animals and man. Next paragraph. Putting tourist currency to good use. Under BCRTI, umbrella shall provide local with occasional training with aim of educating local to merits of conservation and help them benefit from the tourist currency. The visitors at the resorts are welcome to volunteer to teach a skill training class of their choice. The acquired skill enable locals to find employment with the numerous wildlife resorts in the region, if not the faraway city. The local currency for the tourist. Local currency for the tourist means the young generation is without employment, and that unemployed young generations are given employment in the forest area for preserving the wildlife. And how to explain the different types of the ideas related with the forest, those people are called guide of the forest. Means the guide of the forest are important services are provided to the younger generation, and they are definitely attracting all types of the visitors in the forest area and enable them to do any type of the entertainment in the wild resort. Means the wild resorts are also flourished in the same area. आता या ठिकाणी जे लोकल माणसं आहेत, मुलं आहेत ज्यांना नोकरी नाही, त्या मुलांना नोकरी देण्याचं काम, तरुणांना नोकरी देण्याचं काम या ठिकाणी केलं जातं. त्यांना वाईल्ड लाईफविषयी माहिती दिली जातं, ज्ञान दिलं जातं, आणि जे ते चांगल्या प्रकारचं मार्गदर्शन इतरांना करतात की त्याच मुलांना किंवा त्याच व्यक्तींना गाईड या नावानं ओळखलं जातं. आणि त्याचा फायदा आपल्याला एज्युकेशन घेण्यासाठी होत असतो, आणि त्याच्याच आधारे मग हळू पर्यटक त्या ठिकाणी आकर्षित होतात. पर्यटकांची सेवा केली जाते आणि त्यातून मग हिल रिसॉर्ट उभारली गेली, आणि त्याच असणाऱ्या हिल रिसॉर्टमधून त्या भागामधल्या प्रत्येक हॉटेलला चलन मिळत जाते. Medgowda is such a local agriculturist who is trained as BCRT, is now certified naturalist employed by the Mission. In the past, I have lost almost 80% of seasons in sugarcane to such animal attack. I used to hate them, but now I have learned how important these animals are and value of the protecting them. Value of protecting them, he says. I have known these jungles for 35 years. I know where the animals are. I realized that I can guide the visitor, get paid for it. In a way, animals are paying me back. Medgowda is the agriculturist, the farmer in the same area. He was doing his farm continuously 35 years, but he was not in profit. Because the animals in a jungle area, for example deer, they are eating his crops. And his farm was a sugarcane farm. They are eating the crops. So he was always in loss. In place, he had decided to start the business of tourists. And in the same business, he was successful. And he told that animals are very important in my life because tourists are attracted in the jungle area in order to see different types of animals. So I am not interested in business of farming. In place, I am interested in tourism because it gives extra money extra money to our farming. So it is a profitable business for me. So animals are paying back my total payment or finance. Now paragraph last. The forests have taught me many things. For instance, listening the sense are far more important than sight. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen. The forest is constantly communicating through the voices of birds and animals. He explained tracking an animal also teach you life lesson. Black Panther has taught me the patience, but above all this, taught me to never stop discovering. There are just too many amazing experiences to learn, share with the world. In the last paragraph, in the last paragraph, Magadauda has explained that the forest is very important for my life because listening and the sense of sight are made very sensitive by the forest. So I have switched all types of vehicles and only listening to the sound of birds and animals in the jungle because those things are constantly communicating with me and I feel very happy. So I decided tracking the animals. Tracking animals and teaches me the life lesson. Here given the example of Black Panther. The Black Panther is very dangerous animal or courageous animal in the jungle, but that animal is not ready to attack on other people without any fight. If he is a teased or trouble, definitely he will attack. Means from that animal I had learned the patience from him, and he has taught me never to stop discovering. So I have started continuously discovering different types of the theories, the thesis on the forest area. So just with many amazing experiences in my life and learn to share with the world. In the last paragraph, यामध्ये त्या शेतकऱ्यांना सांगितलं की मला जंगलानं फार मोठं ऐकायला शिकवलेलं होतं की जे मला पाहायला सुद्धा मिळालं नसतं. ते जंगलाचं सौंदर्य मला पाहता येतं. त्या ठिकाणी पक्षी प्राणी आनंदाने बागडतात, ते मला पाहता येतात आणि त्यांच्याशी मला संवाद साधता येतो. आणि म्हणून मी माझं वाहन जे ते बंदच केले. मी जंगलातून चालत जातो कारण पक्ष्यांच्या प्राण्यांच्या समेत चालत जाणं मला आवडतं. पण यामध्ये मला सर्वात महत्त्वाची बाब नमूद करावी वाटते म्हणजे ब्लॅक पॅन्थरची, जो काळा वाघ आहे, पट्टेरी वाघ आहे की ज्याच्यापासून सहनशीलता मला खूप शिकायला मिळाली. कारण हा प्राणी जो आहे त्याला छेडल्याखेरीस दुसऱ्या कोणावरती आक्रमण करत नाही, म्हणजे त्याच्या ठिकाणी सहनशीलता आहे. तसं त्याची सहनशीलता शिकण्यासारखी मला वाटली आणि की जी माणसामध्ये मी म्हणतो की माझ्या जीवनामध्ये एक रोमहर्षक अनुभव मला या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळाला आणि म्हणून मी माणसापेक्षा प्राण्यांच्या जंगलामध्ये रमणं मंजूर करतो. इथं हा भाग संपतो. थँक्यू.